Hey the greedy family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey the greedy family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are eating
brown stew swimmer, aka fish.
I am excited to eat this.
Yes.
Wait, honey, do you have a video on how you've made this before?
Of course we do.
Just asking.
You know we do already.
We need to do a thumbnail. We never do a thumbnail. Yeah. And then honey, real quick, and then I'm always searching for a thumbnail. Okay, that was simple.
Simple, my you hungry, my it was simple. You can do thumbnail later, my you be a thumbnail later on.
We're gonna dig in because as you can see, Richie hungry.
Always hungry. So you know, we got the snappers on deck, and yes, Key West catch of the day. Remember?
Yes.
And here first thing to buy fish in a Zimmy, we don't buy fish, be a catch.
Be a catch.
Yeah.
And if you want to see our vlog of when we went to the Keys, we will link it somewhere up in the video like we normally do.
Yes.
And we will link also how we've made this in the video.
Yes.
So you're gonna get 2 videos.
Yes.
I'm ready to dig in.
It tastes good, and I already tasted already.
No, you didn't.
In my mind. Yeah.
I'm about to tell you.
Brown stew.
You told me that you didn't taste it yet.
Damn, it tastes good now. Wow.
Honey.
What happened?
You have a lot more rice than me. Family.
No.
You guys tore me up in the other video, but yeah, mine. First lady, your side look more than Richie.
Yeah.
Richie have a lot more rice.
No.
And the man have 2 fish.
No, man. Your side always look more than mine now. No, man. I gotta help you. Family. Help her, right? I'm doing what you said. I gotta help her, cause you know first lady gonna take her time.
Honey. This is delicious.
Come on, cut it. You know, man, get up in the chop. Don't flap me.
This is delicious.
Don't do that, girl.
The right amount of pepper. You know, see, me love stuff peppery, and you have it perfectly, man.
Family. I try, family.
How you know how to cook like this? No, seriously, like you just
watching my father and mother. My father could put anything together. You see those $5 meals with all those tin food and stuff like that? I learned that from my father.
All right, guys, the presentation is over.
Yes, it's time to eat.
Push my food closer to me. Wow.
Nice. Look at the carrot.
And it's still crispy.
No, all right, you gotta know. You don't want too salty.
You're a chef, man.
Chef Richie in the building, aka Pastor Richie.
AKA Flipping Rasta.
This is good. Family, we just gonna eat for a little bit, okay? Just wait.
Let me tell you, when I straight out the food,
yo, nobody gonna chat my business, my. Cause you never tell them.
Was like,
we tell people everything we do my yacht.
They're the family, they know it. They wanna know.
Sure.
If I don't tell them, they don't get mad. Richie in there fighting me, talking about the 2 fish that he have is the bigger one. And this one is a small one. Because he already picked his 2 fish already.
I sure did.
I said, honey, I'm ready. I'm about to share the food. Richie run from the room. Running up. I made sure to say I give him his 2 fish that he claimed already.
I run like you saying what?
Bolt's in front, and Dix can't go with him. Bolt looks to his right and sees if he has any challenges. He doesn't. Bolt's going to win this one and crosses the line in a wonderful time.
Yeah. Yes, I made it for all the new subscribers. Yes, I cook it. Me and First Date is good cooks. We not a chef, but we could do our thing, you know? I hope y'all like it. You know what I'm saying?
But wait a minute.
What?
How is it that the skin, even though you have all the gravy
And steam it down.
and steam it down, how could the skin is
You gotta know. Still crunchy, right?
Yes.
Take a piece of my fish and I took some of your rice. Yeah.
At least you didn't trick me this
I
time.
ain't tricking you. Family, don't worry. I know you saying, why you ain't ask us how we doing yet? Cause you know, I gotta make sure these don't move around. even though they're dead, they will move. But first lady, how you liking it?
I'm loving it.
Good. Ba 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 ba.
Ba, 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 ba.
Yo, I never know I could cook like this, you know?
Yo. Honey, I ain't gonna lie. I think we've gotten better and better the older we get. Cause we both could cook when we was younger. But you know, you get better and better.
First lady's a good cook. As y'all know from those recipes, she's a good cook.
How did you guys like the paella?
Yeah,
Did anybody make it yet? Let me know.
for real.
Hot.
Hot man. Right amount of pepper. Not too much, not too overpowering.
No, not hot with pepper. You know I love pepper.
Food.
I mean hot like the food
Stove,
is hot.
up, yeah.
I love it off the
Y'all see
stove.
the steam?
Yes. I love my food hot.
Not me. I can't enjoy it. When it's too hot.
That means he can't eat it fast enough.
Yeah.
Tell the truth, honey.
I can't enjoy it when it's too hot. I like when it's cool and just room temperature. Alright. Okay. How y'all doing? Good? Well, you said better now because I asked. Oh, I'm sorry. We have to get into it. Turns out, look at me, let me have a fish man. Don't like you want the fish bone drop. You know what I'm saying? So, yo, don't do that. Please, don't do that. I don't like that. I don't like to do that. Keep your stuff to your side. You know, don't play my side, girl. Yeah, watch it. Move my hand. I love my food. Don't do that because you don't like when I do that to your side. So why you want that to my side? That's shit. I was wondering. I said, yo, why does fish look like? I thought this was a part of it, you know. But me now pre this. I say, yo, that fish look like that part that come from the part here, isn't it? Family. Wow, I didn't even know. You see when I'm enjoying my food, I don't even pay attention. Because I'm saying, look, this part of the fish is like this from here. So I said, okay, I still got a lot of fish. When you were scraping up some, might you move fast, man. Like, watch it on my. Nah, I can't talk to you now. Yeah, I mean, she did that. I'm not. I'm saying, not getting no more time. Wow. I didn't even know. I thought this was that part.
You know how much food I ate from your side when you know it's fish yam?
Family.
Too much a problem, guys.
Family. Wow, you made first lady do that to me?
Yep.
Yo, I know I don't do that to first lady. Why you made first lady do that to my side? Oh my goodness, yo. Letting them good up food, you know?
You bruised, yo.
First lady, I was like, yo, why my fish look like it's digging up? But I say, okay, that's probably the piece right there. You know something?
I got you good. Got him.
Yeah, you got me good. You got me good. No worry. No worry. Good. So, well, okay, now, first lady got my food. One night, first lady was tired. And she be editing. So me and her in the bed now. And we there. She editing. We talking. 1 minute, I said, yo. I said, first lady. The hell? This is first lady with a thing in her hand. The camera in this position.
You can't lie.
I got the video clip. Y'all wanna see it? I got it. I'll put that clip in there. First lady was knocked out with the phone in her hand. You know
Don't
what?
believe this guy.
Listen. You know when you tell you sometimes you watching your phone and your phone drop and licking at your face? Yeah, man. But first lady do good on the editing, and I appreciate first lady for that.
Oh.
Because I can't edit. All I could do is just come and damn food and chat up my mouth.
If you cook good though.
And I cook first lady food.
Okay.
I do the cooking, first lady do the editing, you know? Editing.
Teamwork, make the dream work.
Editing is hard, I can't do it. So first lady take care of it. How you like first lady editing? Comment down, let me know.
Oh
If
God.
she doing good. First lady, you move up and fish, man.
Move fast, man.
That's what I'm fast enough.
I know what you mean. And food tastes nice
Yeah.
on your side.
Food tastes like on your side. Yep. So how's your week going so far? Same old thing? Work? I know. Yeah? Work at home, yeah?
Same.
Same.
Same old same.
Same old same. Another day, you know, somebody gotta do it, you know? But I always tell you, the main thing, you have a job no matter what it is, how big or small.
You can see your mouth. Yo, it's a beer bump for your choke. You don't hurt yourself.
I'm actually one. I'm eat something.
It smells good.
What's that? Yeah. You gotta appreciate it, you know? As long as my side, yeah, your side that. Love my side. You know, so I stop talk too now. Got my first eat of food.
My mother said that you need to eat with 2 hands because you never see the other.
Come never get on my spoon. First, they always give me a fish head. She don't like fish head. Comment up there. Comment in the comment section if you like fish head. I know some of y'all probably don't, but I do. What? You don't like the food?
Honey, every single time we eat fish, you're gonna ask them if they like the fish head, did they eat fish head? You ask them that 50 million times already, mind you. Them said no.
You're a motor, man, motor.
My gosh.
Hello, mem chat.
Every time we eat fish, you gotta ask people if they eat fish head.
We got new subscribers.
First day, you always give me her fish head.
Listen.
She don't like the fish head, but I do. Do you like the fish head?
For the new subscribers, don't listen to her. You always touch the business, I'm saying don't touch the business. Or tomorrow's here. Alright, so what's the difference?
That's business. It's a different story.
Touch the business too much, man. Tell you about that.
We haven't been to the Keys in a long time.
Yeah. We gotta go back.
Yep.
I think they like the fishing vlog too.
They just was like, we want to see more fish.
Don't worry.
Want to see you catching the fish more.
Alright. I will.
And that was our first time. When you're vlogging, especially with fish,
Yeah.
your hands is always messy from touching the shrimp.
Yes, that's why I really want to.
Bait.
Yes.
So that's why it was like you only saw us catching 2 fish.
Yeah.
Because those two fish, we had to throw back. The rest of the fish, we had to take the hooks out.
You gotta touch the bait and then
Touch the bait.
You know, it's fishy. You mess up your phone and the camera and stuff like that.
Your whole hand smell like fish.
That's why we waited.
That's the reason why we waited until.
What?
But next time, right?
Yeah, next time we're gonna do it good. I'm probably bring a stand for the camera.
I was gonna say that. Start reading my mind.
Mind reader.
Yeah.
So we're gonna bring the stand for the camera and then make you see every fish you catch.
Yep.
Wait, remember? This is delicious. Want some fish tail?
I'm full. I'm eating my food.
First thing
I wish I had a little bit more rice though.
Just up here. No, my fault. That's them.
When you fry fish in the house, you got to fry fish in the house or outside?
Outside, but you know what? You didn't even smell it like that, right? Sometimes, give you a trick. When you're frying chicken and fish in the house.
Frying what?
Chicken and fish.
Oh. I thought you said chitlins.
Tip is, you know the stuff they may use and wash the clothes, like what you call it, softener?
Fabric. Yo, that frightened me, you know?
Think you poop, you know? Yo, family, I thought she fart, you know? Trust me, my phone vibrate, I thought she poop. The trick is,
You get my nerves.
Yeah, mama, did you poop for real, man? Yes, for real. Yes, farted, fart, pooed. Yes. Yeah. So she poop. Yeah. Yeah, man. Oh, she shit. Yeah.
My pass gas.
She passed gas.
But I didn't. I did not.
Yeah, my phone vibrating. Can you see? The hell? Yeah. I was sitting on the metal chair too, so you know, the metal chair vibrate. So yo, when you fry chicken and fish in the house, and you don't want to smell, what I do sometimes, I use some of the fabric softener. Where you wash your clothes with, and put it in a little pot, and with some water and boil it.
On low though.
On low.
It's like simmer.
Yeah, but that's how you get the smell out, you know? So try that if you ever frying chicken. You know what I'm saying? Raw fish. Yeah. Try that.
And it does work.
It does work. Yo, it's so seasoned in the head.
The gravy all over the rice.
Nice. I enjoy all my meal.
Every single one.
Every single one. I'm not gonna come out here. We ain't gonna come out here and lie about it. We enjoy every meal. Do you enjoy your food when you're eating it?
I hope so.
I hope you enjoy your food. For real. I ain't capping, it's a real talk, B. As you can see, we enjoy it. Another good meal. If your fish don't look like this, you can't come here. Any of your fish don't look like this, look. Any of your fish don't look like that, ain't no coming over here.
Yep.
Same with oxtail, I don't share. All right.
You're so annoying.
Word what happened? Why you look at me and smile so I'm not trusting you sneaking, okay? You know, fish. The word of the day today is success usually comes to those who are too busy to be looking for it. Let me say that again. Success usually comes to those who are too busy looking for it.
So how much time you gonna clear your throat?
Fish in my throat, my fish nice. You heard me the second time, right?
One.
Okay.
Oh man, it smells so good.
What's that, man? What's that? I drink it later. We hooked now. Can't go back.
I know.
Doesn't mean I drink. I gotta show off.
Yeah.
First lady, not yet. We appreciate y'all. We shared with y'all. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. And if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Fam. And that's Shanice and this is Richie, aka First Lady.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Yes, the food was nice.
Stop calling off the bye, man. Every freaking time you do the same freaking thing. Bye, bye. Never say bye.
Bye.